means what on what stock you want the information, and what kind of means technical information or fundamental information you are looking from Chris Trading Academy. Okay, please do comment and please do subscribe as well. Okay, so let me get into the stock of Indiabulls, and always do keep read this disclaimer as well. So this is the Indiabulls housing finance stock. Okay, so I just want to get into the information actually which was happened in the yesterday also, on Monday and even Friday also. Means there were MCA didn't find any kind of illegal things from the 5 accounts. Okay, means which was raised that means since long time on Indiabull housing finance. There was a case filed actually in the court, and it is happening, and from that point onwards the stock is beaten down continuously since 600 levels, all that. Okay, so and even they cannot raise the funds also from outside because of this PIL, okay, public interest litigation. They cannot raise the funds because it will be blocked actually. So if you see the levels, right, I even 1 week back itself, 15 in 10 days back also, I uploaded couple of videos on Indiabull housing finance saying that this particular level will be filled. Okay, and this gap is done now. As of now it's done. Okay, almost done. So and I told before itself, means not the red candle also, before itself I told to just to whether who are holding the stock can book the profits and exit the stock. Okay, and I don't give the levels because I'm not here to give the levels. I just want to share the knowledge, that's it. Okay, if you see, right, once the gap is filled, because of the gap there was a lot of pending orders here, that those orders were executed here. Okay, so again the stock, what happened, it came down like anything. Okay, and even a live video also I have uploaded in my channel. If you can go through that, you can go through the video and you can see the how the stock has fallen on this day. Okay, and if you see, right, the stock from here to here, see 379 to 267 low, you can see, right, clearly. So how many points? See, almost 90, right, 88 points down on a single day that is, and it closed above here, and now as of now it is trying to create a base. Okay, there was a bullish candle here, but again because of the market, the entire market as of now, the Nifty and Bank Nifty are at the overbought levels. Okay, so they will correct in the coming days, and I told you, if you go through my last 3 videos, I told clearly. Okay, on Friday also I told that don't trade on the first week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, because the market will be in a sell-off mode. Okay, they have taken all the operators, FIs, DAs, everyone has taken the market to the higher levels, and now it will sustain. Now it has to sustain. It has to correct 5-10% minimum. So when we come to this Indiabull housing finance, as of now, okay, this is a daily chart, right? So if you go through this chart, so today also there is a bear, okay, bear candle. Okay, in my sense, again it will test this 267 level. What is this? 267 level. So once this level is tested again, by that time there should be some kind of a news will come from the whatever the company or the this Indiabull Housing Finance Company or the court or the management, the board, okay, saying that some kind of news which if it is positive, then from that level it will bounce back. If it is negative, because the court has now forwarded, okay, this case was moved to Feb 28th almost. So as of now this is December starting, so we have around 3 months of time. So till these 3 months, these operators and all these FIAs who bought, who sold, they will take this stock to the much lower levels also based on the stock fundamentals. Okay, so only the retail buyers will hold this stock. Okay, so I would suggest, if you bought at the lower levels at around 200 220, by now also you plan your trades. Okay, you just work on the levels, you think about your stock performance and what's the percentage you are getting at the end of the day. Okay, so all these things, parameters, you just put on a paper and just check it out. Okay, because when you are in a profit of something around 15-20% or 25% also, eat that profit first of all. Okay, don't think that it will become 100% when the stock is falling especially. Okay, first of all eat that small profit, then again if the levels come back, okay, the lower levels, again buy. Okay, but never think that the stock will go again, means go upside without correcting. So you can see this happen, right? You have seen this. So my suggestion to the ones who are holding the stock for long term, I don't give any kind of advice, because always long term investors will see good profits, no doubt about it. But if you invest in a good stock, okay, so those who bought at the lower levels, they can definitely hold at these levels. But normally no retail trader or retail investor, okay, normal common investor won't invest here, because he'll be averaging from here. And okay, this is what normally a common investor will do: average, 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 right? But you need to do one thing actually. You need to average. A professional trader or investor will average like this, okay, till the highest point. When the stock is falling, then only he will exit his position. That's what the institutions and the big investors will do actually. But what we do is we do reverse. Okay, so my suggestion for traders is, for the next 2 weeks, also 3 weeks, means I can easily say that till December end, okay, this year end, only trading will be done on this stock. That's for sure. Okay, so I would suggest the new investors who want to invest on this stock, just wait for this month. Okay, hold on, and those who bought at 320 or 330, if you cannot bear the loss, you can, means based upon your risk appetite and your calculations, you do what you wanted to do. Okay, don't take anyone's suggestion first of all. Okay, so you should not blame others, and you need to do calculations, and you need to work on risk reward ratio and how much profit or how much loss you are getting at the end of the day, or at the end of the quarter, or at the end of the month. So I would suggest this will test again the 267 levels. Okay, I keep telling you, because if tomorrow's bear continues itself, tomorrow only we might see this level. It's a around 23 points difference is there. Okay, just so, but tomorrow if the entire market opens positive, then only this stock will move upside. If not, there is a high probability that in this week we will see a retest of this level 267. Okay, I'll keep updating this stock. Okay, I'll come up with new information on this stock. Okay, thanks.